Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. This is another market analysis video, so let's get right into it. So let's see Nifty first. So if you see Nifty on it, this is the daily time frame. Okay, our levels are still intact, and this was the last level which we marked. That is 19,230 was the last level. Okay, market did go above that. If it goes above that, I'll be definitely looking forward to buy. So let's go into 15 minutes time frame and see what we can do. In 15 minutes time frame, if you see, there's a trend line going this way, but this trend line has been, okay, let me draw this. See this is a trend line, but this is not how you're supposed to draw the trend lines, because this has been breached once. It's respecting this and going, all this is happening. So what will I do? What is my next action? Let me be very clear. Post this, I'm looking forward to buy. That is post 19,250, I'm looking forward to buy it and hold it. Okay, I'll be selling somewhere 19,150. Okay, if it comes below 19,150, I'll be looking forward to sell it. So these are my levels for Nifty. Next we are looking into Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is also intact. So it did not breach the level. It's still here. It's on sideway now. See guys, whenever the market is sideway like this, right, that means the market is ready to move on on a direction. It can be upside or it can be downside. Here is where the accumulation happens. So if it breaches above 43,450, I'll be looking forward to buy this. Okay, for selling, it's only below 42,580, nothing before that. It's simply because there is a lot of support here. Market can take support and then go up, but do you see it's gap, it's opening up, all gap up, gap up. If market gaps up like this, it means it is bullish. Okay, that means it is bullish. So I am bullish on market post 43,450. Okay, on Bank Nifty. Next we'll go to US oil. US oil, I had some good trades which did not go right. So here I had a sell. Yeah, so if you see this trend line is being respected on a very good way. Okay, so after this, that is, if it breaches anywhere up $80.31, I'll be looking forward to sell it. My buy is only above $83. Above $83, I'll be looking forward to buy. Till then, I'm not buying anything. I'm only looking forward to sell it. Right, so these are my levels for US oil now. I do have few stocks for swing trading. I don't want to post it anything for now with this, because let the market become little positive, so it's easy for me to post it. And guys, swing trading stocks, if you have anything, if you're holding anything for a long term, please hold it at least for 5 years. Only then you'll be getting any kind of returns, so keep this in mind. And I'll be posting even gold from tomorrow. So gold will also be included on this market analysis video, because I trade even gold. And now because Zerodha's they have opened as a gold mini and all, will be able to trade all that. So thank you so much. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe. It will be appreciated. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.